The 2024 Fiat Fastback is a stylish and practical subcompact crossover SUV that offers a great value for the money. With its sleek design, spacious interior, and fuel-efficient engines, the Fastback is a great option for drivers who are looking for a versatile and affordable vehicle. Craving a head-turning SUV that doesn't compromise on practicality? The 2024 Fiat Fastback might be your Italian dream come true. The 2024 Fiat Fastback is a subcompact crossover SUV that has been turning heads since its debut. With its sleek design, practical features, and affordable price tag, the Fastback is a great option for drivers who are looking for a stylish and versatile vehicle. The Fastback's exterior design is both sporty and sophisticated. The coupe-like roofline gives it a stylish edge, while the SUV body style provides plenty of space for passengers and cargo. The interior is also well designed, with comfortable seats and a user-friendly infotainment system. Under the hood, the Fastback is available with two engine options: a 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine and a 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Both engines are paired with either a 6-speed automatic transmission or a continuously variable transmission, CVT. The Fastback gets up to 34 miles per gallon in the city and 42 miles per gallon on the highway. The 2024 Fiat Fastback starts at around $25,000 for the base model with the 1.0-liter engine. With its stylish design, practical features, and affordable price tag, the Fastback is a great value for the money. Overall, the 2024 Fiat Fastback is a stylish and practical SUV that offers a great value for the money. It is a great option for drivers who are looking for a versatile and affordable vehicle.